Hi, this is Ryan, and I'm your college algebra instructor, and I just wanted to make a little video to kind of point out a few features of my math lab. When you log into my math lab, you're probably going to launch out to your homepage. Mine looks a little bit different because it has some instructor tools, but for the most part, your homepage will look like this. It gives you information about what's due and what's coming up and how you're doing, and what assignments are due. So you can get to your assignments here. A couple things I want to point out too is your staff info, info about me. This is me. This is my phone number. It's my email address. If you want to read about me, you can read that. Here's a syllabus right here, so you know about the grades and things like that. And here's the grade scale. The important things about this would be your course at a glance. Here's the review chapter. Here's when it's due. I'd print this off and make sure you have this so you don't miss these dates. And something about this is make sure you're working on these assignments early and not waiting to the last minute, because students tend to get in trouble and get pressed for time if they wait to the last minute or last day to do these assignments. Next thing would be your assignments, and we'll go there for just a second. But here's your assignments. These are the things that you are going to have to do. These like your syllabus quiz, and to do these, you just click on them and then go and do your assignments. But in order to learn about these things, you want to really start off with your study plan. The study plan will help you to teach, will teach you these concepts. So what you can do is, like, here is the first one. This is the review chapter, section 1. So here is the objective, and you can do practice and quiz me. The big thing I want to really point out is the videos. These are really good videos, and I'm going to post videos too to help you out on some things. But really, this is where you learn the content. So you really need to start off here and go through all these things, watch these videos and practice. And then once you get this done, you can then go to your assignments, and that's where you would complete your work. And notice for the quizzes, it says 0 of infinity. That means you can take these quizzes as many times as you want. So here's another one, as many times as you want. But get them done early. And also, when you do your quizzes, if you'll snap pictures of your work, so I can kind of see what you're doing, and if you're having problems, I can help you with your work and show you kind of where your errors are, and help get you back on track. But like I said, for quizzes and tests, like this test here that we have coming up here, like right here, review chapter test, send me pictures of your work. That really helps. So just to kind of review, start off with your study plan, then go to your assignments. If you need some extra help, I think there's a multimedia library here where you can find some additional videos and do that. And you can filter here, right, review chapter, look at your sections, section 1 on sets. And then you can, like, if you want to watch videos, you can find some videos on that. So here's some videos on sets so you can kind of learn about this section. And the last thing I wanted to show you is your e-text. So if you actually want your book, if you click on the e-text, it'll actually launch you out to your course book that you can use that you can actually read and print the pages off if you want to. And I use the book a lot as I'm going through and giving feedback to you and things like that. And it takes just a minute to come up. Anyway, my internet's kind of slow, but if you do that, your book will come up. Well, I'm not going to wait on it, but your book should come up if you do that link.